Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 30 July 2018, 02 of hour, 05 of minute and 34 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how are microwaves produced naturally? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how are microwaves produced naturally. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about how are microwaves produced naturally. Microwave sources include artificial devices such as circuits, transmission towers, radar, masers, and microwave ovens, as well as natural sources such as the sun and the cosmic microwave background. Microwaves can also be produced by atoms and molecules. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.